Hello sir, Namaskar. So today I will update you how to install surgical microscope. This is two Allen key which we require to install microscope, surgical microscope. So first step, it is heavy base. This base is weight is approximate 30 to 35 kg. It is called microscope leg. So first we install this point to this with the help of these two screws, first screw and the second screw. With the help of this Allen key, you need to tight it. So after first leg, now we will install second leg. You can see we will tight both the screw with the help of this Allen key. Hello sir, so your first step is complete. Both the legs are installed in stand. This stand weight is approximate 35 kg. Now the second step is this pole. You can put the pole like that, and with the help of this second Allen key, you will tight these two screws. So with the help of this Allen key, you will tight these three screws properly. So second step is complete. Now the third step, this is this pole. You can put this pole like that and tight these three screws with the help of same Allen key. Now the fourth point is, it's called light source, halogen light source, and we will put light source like that. It is called microscope arm. So we will put arm like that. It is rotated in 360 degrees. Now the arm is rotating in 360 degrees. This light source is also rotating in 360 degrees. Okay. Now the next step is foot control system. Installation the arm. Next step is install the motorized foot control system. This is motorized foot control system for the fine focusing. We will put like that and tight it with the help of this knob first, and second like that. Now the next step is, it is called microscope head. It is 5-step magnification head. You can change the magnification from both knobs. This is C-mount for the camera, and it is camera. This is for IPD control system. So along with it, I will ship you two screws. You can put the screw on this hole. And with the help of screwdriver, you will tight it like that. Both screws properly. Now the next step is cable. It's a halogen cable called fiber optic cable. You can put the cable first. It is dual halogen. Both points are working. So you can put cable in any point like that. And second point you can put in there, in this. Now your microscope is installed. Now the next step is fiber optic cable. You can put the cable any one of these both points. These both are the halogen point. Second point you can put like that. This is a screw, you can use it, and now you can tighten it. So fiber optic cable is also installed. Now it's a screen. We can attach this attachment in screen. It will be put like that, and with the help of this knob you can tighten it. It also moves in 360 degree. Now you can tighten it. Okay. Now the next step is camera. It is CCD camera for the live view on screen. We will put this cable like that and knob. This cable like that, and this point we will put like that. Now we tight. It is motorized foot control system. It is motorized foot control system. This will be put like that, and this is motorized cable, and this will put like that. And the last step is connections. So it's a CCD camera, it's camera connection, and it's supply for the camera. You can see in this there is a lock. It will be moved to open and this lock system to close. This is camera, and these two cables for the motorized foot control system. You can use this cable also for the supply, but we put this cable so that it is easy to use. This is supply for the screen. One side we will put like that, I will show you, and another side is this side. If we put this cable, we are not use this one, otherwise screen will be burn out. Second, in AV cable I will put in that part, and the second in this yellow one. So this two connection is for the camera. You can see. So your microscope is installed. It is your halogen microscope for the single beam splitter, CCD camera, C-mount for fine focusing the camera. For using the microscope, our first point is fix the IPD. First you need to fix the IPD. Okay. Yes. Second, working distance. Working distance should be always 250 mm as per the lens. Okay. Third, you can change the camera focus with the help of this knob. Okay, now you can see the object showing on screen. You can also adjust with the help of this knob. And for motorized system, if you press down, it goes down, you can see. When you press up, it goes up. So it is motorized file focusing system. Thank you so much.